The world is evolving rapidly, and at Megalabs, we're committed to improving lives. With over 8,000 employees across the Americas, we provide high-quality, accessible therapeutic solutions, exceeding patient and healthcare system expectations. Our constant training and collaboration with research centers keep us at the forefront of medicine and biotechnology, ensuring top-quality standards. With 18 production plants, 1,800 products, and a growing presence in over 20 countries, Megalabs is a trusted partner in healthcare. We focus on innovation with over 100 R&D projects annually, aiming to offer solutions that truly make a difference. At Megalabs, we are wellness.